Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix error code 0xc0000102. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. This error code right here, often associated with corrupted files or boot issues. Okay, I would highly recommend you to go to this recovery environment. Now, if you don't know how to navigate to this specific page, just restart your PC. Okay, after 3 consecutive failed start or restart, it will just eventually land you to this page. If not, you can go ahead and enter a USB or DVD drive where you have a installation media for Windows, and then just click on repair and you'll be landed to this page as well. So once you're in here, just click on troubleshoot, advanced options. Now just click on command prompt. Okay, so in here, go ahead and type down check disk or chkdsk space C colon or where your OS is installed. Could be D, but most of the time it is installed at C. Okay, space /F space /R, and then just hit on enter, just like so. Wait for the process to finish. This one right here scans for disk errors if there are any. If there is, it will just automatically repair it for you. And then after this one, we're going to rerun CMD, as we are going to scan system files and repair it automatically. Okay, so just basically wait for the process to finish right here. And once that's done, go ahead and type down sfc / or space / scan now. Hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish once more. And after that, you could go ahead and try to run DASM space online or / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Okay, hit on enter, and then once that's done, just type down exit, click on enter. Now you can go ahead and click on exit and continue to Windows 11 and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go back to the same set of page. Okay, now you're gonna want to click on troubleshoot once more. Now go to advanced options and click on system restore. And if you do have a restore point, just click on it. Okay, select a restore point, click on next, and follow simple prompts. And after that, it will just restart the computer and boot you up onto Windows. Now, if that still won't work, go back to the same set of page right here, click on troubleshoot. Now this time, just reset the PC. Okay, you gotta select keep my files if you have important files. If not, just completely remove it. Okay, remove everything, select this option, and then select a local or cloud download. It's up to you. And then just follow simple prompts. And after that, your Windows 11 or 10, or it could be 8 or 7, should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix this error code in Windows. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.